Hi everybody, this is Dr. Julie Quinn. Welcome to Writing Through 94, your advanced business writing class that starts on June 17th. Because you're taking a 300 level class, my assumption is going to be that you are pretty familiar with Leo at this point. You know how to navigate your way around, you understand the process of the discussions and when assignments are due and where to find them. But let's just go over this pretty quickly. I'm going to go over week one and also show you a couple of important notes in the syllabus to draw your attention to. So all of my announcements, by the way, will just be here on the course homepage. You'll see them pop up as we go. So check that a couple times a week, not every day, but a couple times a week, just to make sure that I haven't added any additional videos or clarifying documents into the announcement. So if you click on content, the first place I want you to go is your syllabus. So when you click on syllabus, this is something that you may want to print out and keep those due dates handy. I also recommend you plugging them into your smartphone calendar, because what you'll see in the syllabus are not just those dates, but also important information. And if you have those dates in your calendar, you won't forget them. Okay, note that we do have an updated late policy. You lose 10% on assignments for each week that they're late. And of course, you can't submit anything at the end of the term after August 11th. You can't submit any assignments, so keep that in mind too. We've got a list of your assignment tasks in here. Project descriptions for each of those assignments, so you get a little bit of an overview within the syllabus itself. And then, of course, as you scroll down, the assignment schedule with the due date. So weekly discussion posts, you should be familiar with those. The main post is now due Friday because we've sort of switched the days, and the response posts are due Sunday. And then the other aspects was main assignments, the quizzes and the assignments themselves are always due on Sunday Eastern Standard Time by the end of day, like 11:59 is fine. Okay, so you can see this is what I'd like you to print out or to plug into your schedule. I would even add a discussion board reminder into your Google Calendars, if you're using Google Calendar, because I think that will help you stay on task. Okay, so that is the syllabus. My recommendation for how you navigate through Leo is to go through the contents. If you just click on discussions, you're going to miss a lot. So go week by week. Starting with week one, you can see that I've embedded those dates. So you get an idea of what's going on here. And let me actually just view this as a learner so you can kind of see it from a student perspective. So, of course, you click on content. Then you'll click on week one. Let me click on this week one up here. You have a bit of an overview to week one with some goals. You know, by the end of this week, you should be able to do X, Y, and Z. And then resources to check out. Okay, so communication and context, it's a reading. Your responsibilities as a communicator. Language, that's an obstacle to communication, oral versus written. And then there is also a quick video on academic integrity. You've probably already undone this, but FYI for you. You've also got a sample paper to review. You've got 2 discussions. And at the end of the week, you've got your first submitted assignment. You don't have big assignments every week, but week one, we're going to start off with a bang with this communication inhibitors report. Okay, so you can see the assignment overview, and you can see that you can click on this link and see the assignment itself. I will be participating with you guys in the discussions, leaving you feedback, maybe do a pin post as a model sample assignment to help you through each week. So I will be available for phone conferences, and I'll be available for feedback within the discussions themselves. Okay, so again, go to content and then just go week by week. Use the little checklist to make sure that you've completed the assignments as you go. Reading this one, and then I would do those readings across a day or two, and then I would tackle the discussions, and then through those discussions, they should help prepare you to participate in that first assignment. As a quick reminder, under the assignments themselves, you can click on assignments, and you can see all of your due dates are attached in here as well. And to submit an assignment, just click on the title. You can see the rubric for how everything is going to be graded, and then you want to submit your assignment by adding that file. You can go to your computer, you can upload your assignment. I'm just uploading a pretend JPEG, but of course you'd be uploading a document, and then you click submit when you're ready to go. So I'm not going to actually submit that. But that's the process. You want to double check those due dates. Here's a quick view for those due dates. And again, don't just go by discussion, go by content, because you don't just have discussions every week. They're based on particular readings. And the expectation is you'll tackle those readings before you try to do the discussions and the first assignment, the communication inhibitors. I will probably be posting additional videos and discussions, announcements to help guide you week by week. But my hope is that you just reach out and talk to me, work with me through any concerns that you've got, and we work on this together as a team. I wish you great luck. Reach out if you have any questions.